Hello, cockatiel enthusiasts. Today, I'll be presenting to you 25 beautiful names for cockatiels along with a description for each name. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming bird-related content. Leave your bird's name in the comments, and I'll send you a lovely gift. Sunny. Perfect for a cheerful and vibrant cockatiel with a sunny disposition, always brightening up your day with its playful antics. Luna. Ideal for a mystical and elegant cockatiel, reminiscent of the moon's serene beauty, exuding grace and tranquility. Charlie. A friendly and sociable name suited for a cockatiel with a charming personality, always eager to engage with its human companions. Kiwi. Reflecting the bird's colorful plumage and energetic nature, Kiwi is a lively and quirky name for a spirited cockatiel. Peaches. Sweet and affectionate, Peaches is a fitting name for a cockatiel known for its gentle demeanor and affectionate gestures. Jasper. Sophisticated and dignified, Jasper is a name that suits a cockatiel with a regal presence and a wise demeanor. Daisy. Delicate and charming, Daisy is a name evoking images of innocence and purity, perfect for a gentle and graceful cockatiel. Milo. Playful and mischievous, Milo is a name for a cockatiel known for its curious nature and adventurous spirit. Ruby. Bold and vibrant, Ruby is a name for a cockatiel with striking features and a lively personality, drawing attention wherever it goes. Oliver. Endearing and loyal, Oliver is a name for a cockatiel known for its devotion to its human companions and its friendly disposition. Coco. Chic and stylish, Coco is a name for a cockatiel with a flair for fashion and a sophisticated charm. Pepper. Spunky and spirited, Pepper is a name for a cockatiel with a feisty attitude and a playful streak, adding spice to your life. Peanut. Small yet mighty, Peanut is a name for a cockatiel with a big personality, full of energy and enthusiasm. Mango. Exotic and vibrant, Mango is a name for a cockatiel with a colorful personality and a zest for life, bringing tropical vibes wherever it goes. Merlin. Mysterious and wise, Merlin is a name for a cockatiel with a magical presence and an enigmatic charm. Willow. Graceful and serene, Willow is a name for a cockatiel with a gentle nature and a calming presence, like a peaceful breeze. Jasper. Distinguished and refined, Jasper is a name for a cockatiel with a noble demeanor and an elegant bearing. Rosie. Sweet and affectionate, Rosie is a name for a cockatiel with a warm heart and a loving personality, always spreading joy. Gizmo. Quirky and inventive, Gizmo is a name for a cockatiel with a curious mind and a playful imagination, always exploring its surroundings. Blue. Cool and calm, Blue is a name for a cockatiel with a laid-back attitude and a tranquil demeanor, like the calm waters of the ocean. Luna. Mystical and enchanting, Luna is a name for a cockatiel with a magical presence and a captivating charm, like the moonlit night sky. Spike. Bold and adventurous, Spike is a name for a cockatiel with a daring spirit and a fearless attitude, ready for any challenge. Penny. Bright and cheerful, Penny is a name for a cockatiel with a sunny disposition and a happy-go-lucky attitude, always looking on the bright side of life. Sky. Free-spirited and ethereal, Sky is a name for a cockatiel with a dreamy nature and a boundless imagination, like the vast expanse of the sky. Willow. Elegant and graceful, Willow is a name for a cockatiel with a refined demeanor and a serene presence, like the gentle sway of a willow tree. Thanks for watching. I hope you find a name that suits your bird. Wait for us in the next part.